and your cat.
What? Oh yeah, my cat. Get this, dude. The other day, my cat got under the sink into the pesticides, and he grew another tail.
Good morning, class. Today, we're going to be talking about some economic terms. Okay, so there's a saying here. Let me just write it on the board. Here we go. We're going to be talking about, this is the saying here. We're going to incorporate this today with everything that I teach you. So it's people can't have all the goods and services. That's an and sign right there. And services they want. And as a result, they must choose some things and give up others. Must choose some things and give up others. Okay. And the first term here we're gonna go over is scarcity. If you guys want to go ahead and jot this down here, jot all this down. Scarcity. So what scarcity is it's a situation that exists when there are not enough resources to meet human needs. Okay? You want to go ahead and jot that down? I don't see your notebook out. You want to go ahead and get that out. Okay. Get your notebook out. Okay. Thanks. All right. So for scarcity here, the example that I'm going to give you, we're going to come over here. We're going to use this fridge here as the marketplace. Okay? So here, come over here. Check this out. What we got here is I'm in charge of this food here. All we got in here is chocolate chunky chip cookie dough. That we only got one in here. Okay? Now you're gonna go ahead and buy that. Okay. Now you leave. And now go ahead and take a look in the fridge there.
What?
Nothing in there, is there?
No.
So what are you gonna do now? Because there's nothing there. This is scarcity. There's not enough human resources to meet human needs.
I hope you have a substitute today.
Yeah, I
Get
know.
Mr. Yorkfish.
Yeah, no, he sucks. He's the worst teacher ever.
His name is so terrible.
Good morning, class. Let's take attendance here real quick. Jacob Phillips.
Here.
Zach Benz.
Here.
Okay. All right, so we're going to start off where we left off yesterday. We went over scarcity here. Today, we're going to be going over factors of production. Okay? Factors of production. I'll go ahead and give you a definition of what that means. Okay? Factors of production, the economic resources needed to produce goods and services. So I want to go over an example here, because I think we're all visual learners here. Okay? So this is the example we got. Okay? I got these ice trays here, right? Alright, you guys. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is water. I could keep running this water for as long as I want. There's enough water, there's enough resource. I could keep on running this all day. We can leave this here the whole class period if we wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill it up with some ice here. I'm going to make some ice, fill it up with some water. Okay? Check this out here. Okay. Got this ice. You go ahead. You're going to put it in the freezer. Okay? Probably wondering, well, why are you doing that, Mr. Yorkfish? Well, here's why I'm doing it. Okay? I'm doing it to show you an example of factors of production. It's because that we have enough resources to make as much ice as we want. You guys understand that? You understand? Okay, good. Very good. Okay, so, boom.
So you want to like go to prom with me?
Oh, yeah. I guess we'll go to prom today.
Good morning, class. Suppose we won't have to take attendance today because it looks like everyone's here. Okay, well, today we're going to start where we left off. We're going to be doing opportunity costs, okay? Opportunity costs. Okay, so what that means is the value of something that is given up by choosing one alternative over another. Okay? You guys are writing it down? That's good. That's good. Okay. So, I want to go ahead and give you an example again. Alright? So, here's my example is as of right now, I make 1 tray of ice cubes a day. Okay? That's ice cubes there. And that's what I do right now. Okay? Is I make 1 tray of ice cubes a day. Now, I cannot do that. I can do this instead. I can make 1 cup of coffee a day instead of that. Okay. Now here's why I would do that. I would make 1 cup of coffee, as you see here. I would do that instead of ice because coffee's selling better. Ice isn't. I'm going to give up ice, and I'm going to make coffee instead. Okay, I'm choosing one alternative over another. That would be opportunity cost right there.
Get in this, dude.
Good morning, class. Put your phones away, please. Thank you. Looks like everyone's here again. You guys are wearing the same clothes. 4 days in a row. Unbelievable. Okay. Today we are going to go over production possibility curve. Okay, that sounds like a mouthful because it is, but it's fairly easy. Okay? Production. It's actually going to be the easiest lesson we've had so far. Production possibility. Okay. Production possibility curve. Sorry about that. Long night last night. Okay. Example of this, alright? Okay, first I'll give you a definition. Production possibility curve is a graph used to illustrate the impact of scarcity on an economy. And we already know what scarcity is because we went over that. Do you know what that is, Jake? Okay, that's fine. Scarcity. Okay, well, just a real quick review here. Scarcity, a situation that exists when there are not enough resources to meet human needs. Okay, remember when I did the ice cream in the fridge? Remember that? Remember that, guys? Yeah, that's scarcity. Okay, so we're gonna go over production possibility curve. So it's a graph, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and make this graph here. Okay, and this is gonna represent how scarcity impacts a society. Okay, so here we go. We got Okay, we got supplies. Okay, so supply, right? And then we got demand, supply and demand down here. Okay, so supply, right? So this is the resources that we have. Okay, it's gonna be a bar graph here, right? So this is how much resources we have as of now, and then as time goes on, okay, we start to lose resources here. Okay, you guys see what's going on here? Hey, don't leave yet. Okay, don't leave yet. Almost done here. All right. Okay, that's fine. We'll go over the rest tomorrow. But basically, what's going on here is this is scarcity. This is how scarcity impacts a society. Here, there's not enough supply, and there's a lot of demand, so there's not enough supply. Okay, guys? So that's what that's about, when there's not enough resources. You guys are dismissed.